In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar and set access permissions. Let's start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you're working on the right calendar. On the left side, you'll see the My Calendar section. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to share, then click the three dots that appear. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This is where all the visibility and sharing controls live. Scroll down to the section called Access Permissions. Here, you can make your calendar available to the public. If you enable this, anyone with the link can see your calendar, and search engines may index it. If you choose this route, decide whether you want people to see only free or busy information, which hides details but shows when you're booked, or to see all event details, which exposes titles, locations, and descriptions. Public sharing is useful for things like community schedules, but use it carefully if you have sensitive information on your calendar. You'll also see an option to make the calendar available to your organization. This is ideal for workplaces or schools using the same domain. Turning this on lets people in your domain see, or, if you allow it, edit the calendar. You can typically choose the visibility level here as well. Keep in mind, your admin might restrict certain options, so if something isn't available, that could be why. Next, scroll to the Share with Specific People section to grant access to individuals. Click to add a person's email address. After you enter it, choose a permission level that matches what they need. See Only Free Busy shows your availability without revealing event details. See All Event Details allows them to read full event info. Make changes to events lets them add, edit, and delete events on this calendar. Make changes and manage sharing gives them full control, including sharing settings. Reserve this for trusted collaborators. When you're ready, click Send. The person will receive an email invitation, and your changes apply immediately. If they don't see the invite, have them check spam or try refreshing Google Calendar. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Verify the calendar name at the top so you're editing the right one, especially if you manage multiple calendars.